What's up, YouTube? We got the 36-inch cat back out. It's got a few cracks in it, guys. I had to repair it here, build it back up. I had to repair it here, built a new lid for it. Under the bottom here, it busted off one of the steps. I had to repair it. I still got some more work to do on it, but yeah, we're just gonna cruise it around. We're running a 42mm high rate Oxidine Marine prop on it. It is on 8S, but we're gonna take it easy, guys. We got the GPS in it. Matter of fact, let me set the GPS. Track, start. Y'all see it's reading. We're just having a good time. Gonna drive it, test it out with the new Fly Sky Noble, guys, and just see how it's gonna do today. Whoo, turn sharp. Got good water cooling out one side. Good water cooling out that side. It just don't do as good. Make sure y'all up in the shot good. Just kind of pulling left. That's a little better. Like I say, guys, we ain't trying for no speed. See, she pulling hard right there. She turned on the dime. Might have to do some strut adjustment on it, cause still pulls right. I just wanted to get it out and run it, guys. See how this Fly Sky was going to do on it. She did some wonky stuff just then. Feels like it likes to torque roll. To me, it wants to like roll over on that right side real bad, especially when you're getting on it. Stop, read, 65. Track, start. Yeah, we may I may do a strut adjustment on it. Look, it's down there running in a circle. And now it wants to run straight when I say something about it. Sound like that down Chinese collet I ordered off eBay is slipping. Yeah. That's exactly what's going on, fellas, and I tightened the dog shit out of it. That really sucks. I might have another one at home. Let's see here. That really sucks. Let's see if our tape's gonna pull off with the doggone. No, but it ain't finished curing out yet. Y'all see the lines the tape left on it? It's alright. I don't care as long as it's fucking doing what it's supposed to do. Let's see what's going on under the hood. Damn, I gotta clean them threads out on this side a little bit more. Something like it. I know they tight. I tighten the shit out of it. I see what it is, guys. Y'all see my down collet? I got to tighten it up better on that doggone, it must have worked loose on the shaft because it's pushed all the way back against the damn motor. That's what the whole deal is. It ain't the collet slipping. Oh, it's hot though. But yeah, it's pushed back, man. I can't even get my wrench on it like I could last night. Look at there. You can't even get the wrench down on it. It's pushed so far back. Well, guys, we're gonna take it home and work on it there. I ain't doing it here. Let's see what that speed was. 40 mile an hour. But yeah, we'll do a strut adjustment on it. Look like it. Doggone. It don't even turn that far around. That might have been from before though. I had to look back in the video and see if that scratch was on there at the beginning of the video. But I just set my end points where it would barely turn to the left. It's only like on 40% to the left. Matter of fact, let me get that dirt off the bottom of that. We'll hook it back up. See there? Ain't no way that would have hit that. Heck no. That had to be from last time when I had to crash or something other, or it was already on there or something. Alright guys. Oh, I seen a couple drops of waterfall out there. Not much though. That's great. That's great. That's great. Turn that off. Shutting down. But yeah, we'll do a strut adjustment and we'll tighten that, call it up. I didn't put no Loctite on it, guys. I never put Loctite on shit hardly, but I never have shit break loose hardly until now. Every once in a while, I'll Loctite the shit out of it though, and I can fix that. I just got to get it loose. I may have to pull the motor out to get to that second doggone grub screw back there if I can't get it to slide out none. But anyway, I'll figure it out when I get to the house, guys. Thanks y'all. Thank you guys for watching, and remember we're gonna have more boats. We're gonna go faster than 65, but we're not pushing them hard no more. We're gonna just have fun and try props out, get them running good, and you know, do what you're supposed to do with these suckers and make them last. Cause I'm tired of fixing shit like this, and I ain't even finished with all that. Look at there, it's still soft. I want to go up under here and put some more epoxy and fiberglass up under there, and I still got a little more filling in to do right here. This is pretty well filled in up here, pretty smooth, and I got a little more work to do on the bottom side of it. But anyway, guys, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch y'all on the next video, guys. Have a great day. Peace out.